Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device and also remove a screen lock if you want to get rid of that in the process. So let me just lock the device so you can actually see. There is a screen lock. So I'm going to proceed from here by shutting off the device. And once the device is off, you want to hold volume down and power key, both keys at the same time. So power, volume down. And from here, you want to use volume up and down to navigate, and you want to select recovery mode, which is right here. Just make sure in this field you have recovery mode. And once you see it, all you need to do is press power key. Give it a moment and you should see Android with no command. Okay, there it is. So once you see the Android with no command, what you want to do is hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold power, press volume up, and we're now in the recovery mode. And in this menu, we can use again volume keys to navigate, volume down to go down and up to go up, and power key will be again used to confirm. And now you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it, and once more select yes, delete all user data. And again, press power key to begin the process. Now this should be fairly quick. You will see data wipe complete at the bottom, and then Reboot System Now should be selected by default. So all you really need to do is press power key, and the device will now reboot. Now the phone will continue the process in the background, so it will take a little bit longer to turn back on than it normally does. So just be patient. It will take about a minute or two, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. And once you go to the setup, there will be no more lock screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.